Hello and welcome to Office Pro Daily, where I teach you the skills you need to become an Office Pro. Today I'm going to go over the most powerful function within Excel that has saved me hours, CTRL+E. So as you can see right here, we have a list of last names, first names, and job titles. So let's say we needed to come up with nameplates for each of these employees. So if in the first one we go first name, Marcus, and then last name Jones, and then maybe we go like this and go team member. Now, just by doing this first one, it teaches Excel a pattern. And so just by going into there and then going CTRL+E, it auto-populates the rest that same format. Even notice that there's different job titles in here, yet what it's realizing is the format is cell B space cell A space cell C. And so that's what it's realizing. That's the pattern it's identifying. So even if it's not all the same, as you can see, all these names are different. The job titles have differences too. So it's predictive in that way. Now, there's a ton of things you can do with this. It's not just limited to this. So let's go to another example. So let's look at dates. You have the same thing here, January 5th, 2013. You might have a whole long list of these. So if we just take one example and format it that way, and click on the next cell and then CTRL+E, it fills out the rest for you. This can save so much time. All you have to do is fill it out that first time. Now, I do have one more example that is by far my favorite out of all of them. So let's go, hello, Marcus Jones. We are pleased to announce. All right, so right here, hello, Marcus Jones. We are pleased to announce that we would like to move forward with an interview for the manager role. Is there a day and time that works best for you? Now, as you guessed, just by doing the same thing, CTRL+E, it does the same thing. So that is CTRL+E. Please drop a comment below telling me what video you would like to see next. And don't forget, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys. I'll see you next time.